Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to check the given character is uppercase, lowercase, digit or a special character. First I am going to apply a character from the user. Ch is my variable equal to input of enter a character. The input statement display the string enter a character in the console. When user enter a character, it receives it as a string and stored it in the variable ch. Now I am going to use if, elif, else ladder to check the given character is uppercase, lowercase, digit or a special character. I am checking if ch greater than or equal to uppercase alphabet A and ch less than or equal to uppercase alphabet Z colon. So if character is greater than or equal to A and character is less than or equal to Z means it is in the range of capital A to capital Z. So greater than or equal to capital A and less than or equal to capital Z. So it says very clearly it is in the range of A to Z and is a logical operator. It return a true if it satisfies both the expression in the left side and the right side. Then only it will return true. If the condition is true, the control will come to the if block. So for the if block, we have to give an indentation. Indentation stands for the scope. So here I am printing print the variable ch, value of the variable ch will get printed is an uppercase letter. I am closing the double quotation and closing the print statement. Print ch, the value of the variable ch will get printed is an uppercase letter is my output. Now I am writing elif ch greater than or equal to the lowercase letter a and ch less than or equal to lowercase letter z colon. If this condition is false, then only the control will come to this elif and check this condition. If this is true, the entire character is in the range of small a to small z. So greater than or equal to small a and less than or equal to z. If the both the conditions are true, the and logical operator return the value true. If the condition is true, the control will come to the elif block. For the scope, I have to give an indentation like a if block. So I have to give an indentation says that the statement I am writing is in the scope of elif. Print character ch in the double quotation is a lower case letter. Closing the double quotation, closing the bracket. If ch greater than or equal to a and ch less than or equal to z, I am printing print ch, the value of the variable ch will get printed is a lowercase letter is my output. If this condition also false, the control will come to the next elif statement, otherwise it will come out of the entire if elif else structure. Elif ch greater than or equal to 0, 0 is a character here, and ch less than or equal to 9. I am printing print the variable ch followed by string is a digit. Closing the double quotation, closing the print statement. So I am writing else colon, if this elif condition also false, the control will come to the else. Here I am printing print ch followed by a string is a special character. Closing the double quotation and closing the print statement. So this is my program. I am going to explain the program. ch is my variable equal to input of enter a character. The input statement displays the string enter a character in the console, and when user enter a character, it is stored in the variable ch as a string. So I am writing if elif else statement to check the given character is a uppercase, lowercase, digit or special character. I am comparing if ch, the value of the variable ch, which is greater than or equal to capital A, and ch less than or equal to capital Z. If this condition is true, I am printing print ch, the value of the variable ch will get printed is a uppercase letter. If this condition is true, the statement will get executed. Control will come out of the entire if elif else block. It will come to the next statement. If I write some next statement, it will come and execute the statement. Otherwise, the program will halt. If this condition is false, the control will come to the elif and check the condition. If ch greater than or equal to a and ch less than or equal to z, then this condition is true. It will print ch, the value of the variable ch is a lowercase letter because it is in the range of capital A to capital Z. If this elif also false, the control will come to the next elif statement and check the condition. If ch greater than or equal to 0 and ch less than or equal to 9, if this is in this range, it will print ch is a digit. If this is also false, the control will come to the else statement and print ch is a special character. So in the if elif else structure, during the execution, only one statement will get executed. If the condition is true, if block will get executed. If this is false, it will come and check the first elif. If this is true, elif block will get executed and control will come out. If this is also false, then only next elif condition will be checked. If this is true, the statement will get executed and control will come out after the else statement. So if this elif also false, control will come to the else and print ch is a special character. This else statement will get executed if the if and the all the elif are false. In this case, I am printing ch is a special character. Why? Because the character is not a uppercase letter in the range of capital A to capital Z, not a lowercase letter in the range of small a to small z, not a digit in the range of 0 to 9. So in this case, I am printing the entered character ch, that is the value of the variable ch is a special character. Now we will take some sample input and check how this program works. For a CH, I am assigning capital B. I am assigning capital B. What it will do, it will check capital B greater than or equal to E. This is true, and capital B less than or equal to Z. This is true. It will print capital B is an uppercase letter. My output is B is an uppercase letter. So this is my output. Then the controller will come out after the else statement. So nothing will happen. The program will halt. I am executing a program again. Now I am giving ch equal to small d. It will check ch greater than or equal to a and ch less than or equal to z, capital letter. This is false. It will come to this place and check this condition. The small d greater than or equal to a is true and small d less than or equal to z also true. That's why left side and right side of the logical operator are true. It will return true. My output is ch. That means d is a lowercase letter. Is a lower case letter. Then the controller will come out after the else statement. The program will halt. Now I am executing a program again. Now I am giving ch equal to 6. In this case, if condition is false, it is not in the range of a to z. This if also false, it is not in the range of small a to small z. And we come here, this elif, it will check 6 greater than or equal to 0 is true and less than or equal to 9 is true. It will print ch is a digit. So I will get an output 6 is a digit. Then control will come out of the statement after the else, program will halt. I am executing a program again. Now I am giving ch equal to an asterisk symbol. Check the condition. Ch greater than or equal to capital A and less than or equal to capital Z. This is false. Come here and check. It is in the range of small a to small z. This is also false. And we check ch equal to the range of 0 to 9. This is also false. It will come here. The else and print star is a special character. So this program is working perfectly for the all the different kind of the input and producing the correct result. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for the continuous updates. I'm going to release the various programs and demonstration continuously. Please share, comment and press the bell button. Thanks for watching this video.